So when I took my last protective style out, I just didn't like how my hair felt.
Yeah. And
I hadn't had a protein treatment in a while, so ordinarily I would think, well, I'll do a protein treatment. But I know that that y'all do the Olaplex hair.
Olaplex.
So I started doing some research, and I was like, you know what? The Olaplex, for me, think of the Olaplex as a protein treatment on steroids.
Yes. And compatible with anybody's hair.
Right.
And that's the biggest thing, is that a lot of people don't think that anybody can do it, but anybody can do it, because everybody has the disulfide bonds. It doesn't matter what texture your hair is, everybody's hair has those bonds, and sometimes those bonds are broken. And the Olaplex goes in and just repairs all of it.
And I'm here at Nick's Hair Obsessions inside Barnett Salon Suites, and I just got an Olaplex treatment on my hair.
Beautiful.
And this it feels good. I'll let Nicolette kind of tell you guys what an Olaplex is, and then I'll kind of come back. Once she tells you what it is, you'll know why I'm doing this.
Yeah.
Why we did this today.
So Olaplex isn't a conditioning treatment. I think a lot of people think it's just strictly conditioning. Olaplex is more of a reparative type of treatment. So what it does is it goes in and actually repairs any bonds that were broken, whether it is from chemicals, whether it's from dryness, whether it's from weather, whether it's from breakage, whatever it may be. It goes in and just repairs and just really puts those bonds, the disulfide bonds, back together. It does moisturize the hair. It's just all around magic in a bottle. I've always told my clients, it's just magic. Like, you can feel the moisture back in there when we took it out in the first time, and it was just a little bit, you know, not where it needed to be.
But very little product. Look at that. Like, the fact that I have that, the elasticity is back, that's a big deal. And it feels better. It feels healthier.